Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a off-road bumper, and this is, well, a light bar bumper thing for my car. This is what I got so far. So, using some steel, it's pretty thick, but gotta bend it there because there's bumper supports right on the frame, so I'm going to cut it off here. That'll be my support. And then I got tube steel, and that'll be the bumper, and I got four 5-inch lights, off-road lights for it, so make it look like a Baja. So these are the little lights I got. They're 5.5. Got this steel tube. It's pretty thick, but this is where it's gonna go. Right there is a bumper support. See, it's solid one there. So I'm gonna make brackets come out here and have that tube go across. Not sure how far, but it has to be big enough to support these lights. 2 of them upside down, 2 of them up top. Make it look like a Baja. So this is what I got so far. I didn't bolt it down or anything, but see how it just fits right in there, and it cups it right to the bolt system. And this bar. Ooh, my finger's in the way. And the bar right there. Gotta do some little adjustments. It's not even perfectly, but well, I've gotten this far. Bent 2 of them. And drilled some holes. Now I just gotta go get some. See, it's not even there, but I can bend that out. But gotta go get some bolts, drill it through the tube, slide it through, and then drill out the back and bolt it to the frame. Cut down the length I want. I was gonna go the full length of that bar, but I don't know how it would look, to be honest. Alright guys, so after nearly killing myself with this guy, blade snapped and launched out of my hands while I was cutting that freaking metal. This guy. So out of the 4-foot piece, I took off about 1 foot and a couple inches of metal. Just drilling some holes out. I went and got some bigger bolts for the frame. These are the guys right there. They're huge. They're class M6 150. I can't find the original bolts, but that's okay. So yeah, so basically they stick out. I don't know if you see right there. That guy right there sticks nice and far out, so I can get my brackets I made in there and working. So I ended up drilling out the holes, getting the lights put in. They look pretty good. What I had to do was get different bolts so it fits right through the bar. Alright, well there's the finished product. I think it looks good. I'm back of the mall, going around. I gotta adjust the lights. Yeah, they look pretty good. They're as bright as my normal headlights. I might replace the bulbs with LEDs. They're H6s, I believe. So yeah, H6 bulbs in these. And just undo a screw back there, and the lenses pop out to replace them. And it's got it hooked up here. Turn down my radio. It's right there, just a little switch. Running it from there all the way over. Nothing fancy.